Hello, this is Jackie with J&M Reviews, and today I would like to do an unboxing video of DLGJPA. So these are the water shoes that I chose. My size is 7, and this is how they look. I have it in a blue. I have it in a blue and white. So what I like about these water shoes is that they look like regular shoes, which is it makes it very comfortable to walk around the beach and not to get a lot of sand inside. You're still gonna get a little bit, but not that much. And they're very flexible, they're comfortable. Even if you want to jog a little bit around the beach, they're perfect for that. You can use it on a boat, you can use it for swimming, you can use them for fishing, you can use it around the pool. And I like the design, it's pretty cool. You can actually walk on them, unlike any other shoes that is only for the water. This you can use it for walking, even a little bit for jogging. I like the colors. The straps here are adjustable, so you can put them as loose or as tight as you want, depending on your feet. And I'm looking forward to enjoying them around the water and around the beach. I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I did. Thank you for watching my video.